So here we go, making a circle. Now remember, this is going to use single crochet, so it's nice to practice that a little bit first. So here I have my slip knot, and I'm going to start by chaining a small amount. I'm going to chain 4. So I go, oops, just a second, I gotta move my hand. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to slip stitch into the bottom of my chain, and a slip stitch looks like this. So I go in, my yarn comes over, and then I'm going to pull it through both of these things. Here I go. Zip. Now I've got a squashed little thing, but if I pull it apart, there it is, it's a ring. And from here on in, I'm going to work into that ring for this row. So I chain 1, and now I'm going to start doing single crochets into the ring. It looks like this. My hook goes in the middle, yarn comes through. Now remember, I don't want 2 loops, I only want 1. So my yarn comes up and around, and I pull it through those 2. I'm going to go all the way around the ring 6 times, okay? 3, 4, keep moving the ring around. 5, ooh, see, I got caught in my tail, just pull it out. There we go. And watch this 6th one. In, grab my yarn and pull it through, yarn over, pull it through 2. Okay, now it kind of looks like a snail. To make it a nice circle, I'm going to do that slip stitch again. So my yarn goes into my first stitch, in, pull through everything. Look, I've got a circle. Now, for my next row, I'm going to have to increase so that my circle gets bigger. To do that, I do chain 1, right? We always do that at the beginning of the row. And now I'm going to go into each of these stitches twice. If I turn it, see how at the top of the stitch I've got the V? And it's just like a chain, okay? It's like we've created a chain on top of the circle. So I'm going to go into the next stitch, do a single crochet, I'm going to go back in and do it again. 2. Now I go to the next one. 1, 2. Now I'm going to do this fast just so that you get to see what happens, okay? Now I'm counting, I had 6 stitches, right? And because I'm going into each of those 6 stitches twice, I'm going to end up with 6 plus 6, 12 stitches. Okay, now I'm at the beginning again. I can tell because there isn't a flat section. Let me show you what it looks like if I hadn't gone all the way around. See how it's a circle, but there's that flat section? That means I haven't done my job. I have to go all the way around. So I finish it off, going in twice, and I slip stitch. And if I were to count all the way around, I'd have 12 stitches. Now the next row, chain 1, is a little different. This time I'm only going to go twice into every second stitch, which means I go once. In the next one I'm going to go twice. 1, 2. In the next one I go once, and in the next one I go 1, 2. Got it? And I go all the way around like that. Whee! I got carried away. Okay.